Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Pradeep Bima, dedicated to exploring the world's most fascinating destinations. Trust me, you can do it yourself and no need of any agents after watching my videos.
Finally, we are at the Byron Bay, guys. Look at the view.
Thank you so much. I saw your dress going out. So it looks so good. Can we go over and have a look here? Our beach was white.
Wow, this place is really amazing, guys. You can see the view. This is from the Byron Bay Lighthouse. Wind is super strong. I am literally not able to walk. Look at that kid enjoying with the wind. Oh my god. Oh, oh, God.
But hat flew away. A ver, no el norte, vale, el sur me parece.
¿A qué zonas fuiste?
This is the other side of lighthouse.
I hope you loved the video and got all the information to plan the trip your own self. Please subscribe, like, comment and share with family and friends. And I promise to give you the right content.